Hi, I'm Nicky Clements, and this is my dog. You've probably seen him on the channel a few times, but maybe never knew his name. I just didn't mention it at first, but then decided to keep it a bit of a mystery. However, if you paid close attention in the Christmas card video, you would have seen that his dog tag said Sha-Dow. Now Sha-Dow's getting older. We've had him longer than we've been married, and he was a rescue that we got from the Saginaw Animal Shelter in February of 2014, and he was estimated to be anywhere from 2 to 5 at that time, but he's had the energy of a puppy every day since. That is, up until a few days ago when he started wincing in pain, and he was all but immobilized. It turns out he had a pinched nerve in his neck, and the vet gave him some meds that had him back on his feet in no time, but I still wanted to try and relieve stress anywhere I could for him, so I figured why not lift up his food bowl so he wouldn't have to bend his neck down as far to eat. My plan was to just do a simple butt joint here. This is the bottom of the tray and you're not even going to see it. But then I decided I might as well make it look nice and do a mitered corner. Here, again, my first instinct was to just stick the leg in the corner, screw it on, and call it good, but then I thought angling it might really give it some visual appeal. Inspired by the angled legs of this old router table that I had originally thought of... Wait, excuse me. A powder table. What the hell is a powder? Anyway, I had originally tried just using this as the food bowl table, but it was a bit too big. Very fitting for this project that my glue has dog hair in it. I used that little block as a spacer, which made it really easy to get the spacing on all 4 legs to be the same. I'm very pleased with the final result. This could have easily just been 4 chunks of 2x4 screwed onto a board and it would have served its purpose. But this is something much better, and I'm glad I took the time and effort to do it. I really like the angled legs. Again, they could have just been put on straight. The black rubber, not only is it functional, but looks really great with the dark maroon red. Through all the stolen food, the chewed up kitchen utensils, the endless hair, and the scratches, Sha-Dow is a good dog. And I wanted to make sure you all got to know him.
Where are you eating this now?
My sincere thank you for watching. Once again, I am Nick D. Clements. If you're wondering, Nick is short for Nicholas, and the D stands for Dow. Sha-Dow. Oof. Anyway, I'm off to make something else. Hi, I'm Nick D. Clements, and this is my dog. You've probably seen him a few times on the channel, but probably never knew his name.